I shall just brief the things which we have learned. We have learned natural numbers. They are the set of counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. We have also learned the set of whole numbers right from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. This can also be written as W equal to 0, comma n. Means whole numbers they contain natural numbers as well as 0. In yesterday's class, we have learned that integers they contain negative numbers, they contain 0, they contain natural numbers. This can also be written as negative numbers and the set of whole numbers, or it can also be written as negative numbers, 0, and natural numbers. So among these three sets, set of natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers, the larger set is the set of integers. Set of integers, they contain more number of elements than the set of whole numbers and the set of natural numbers. This you must know. And also, we must know that the set of natural numbers are contained in the set of whole numbers, and set of whole numbers are contained in the set of integers. We can denote it in this way. This C represents contained in. So set of natural numbers are contained in whole numbers. Set of whole numbers are contained in the set of integers. In yesterday's class, I also mentioned that we will be learning operations on integers. First operation is addition. When we add two positive integers, we add their values and the result will be the positive sign or the common sign of both the integers. Why this rule? This rule is because we have positive and negative integers. When positive integers are considered, we say that they are the like integers. If both the integers are like, means they contain the same sign, then we add their values and the result is taken with that symbol. Here, two positive integers are taken. When positive integers are added up, we again get a positive integer. For example, when we add 6 and 4, they both are positive integers. We add their values and the result will also be a positive integer and the result is 10. Here you observe this is a positive integer. This is again a positive integer. The result is also positive integer. So let's do this addition on the number line. When we add two or more integers on the number line, we move towards the right. When we add, we move towards the right. When we subtract, we move towards the left. So we start from 0 and we jump 6 units towards the right side. And again we jump 4 units towards the right from 6. Now we have a number line here. We start with 0. Now we have to jump 6 steps or 6 units. Here we have positive 6. Again we need to jump 4 units. We get the result as positive 10. We reach 10 on the number line, which is the sum of 6 and 4. When larger numbers are there, we do not follow taking on number line. It becomes hectic if you consider these larger numbers. So when we add this, we add their values and we get the result as positive. The result will be positive integer, common sign of both the integers. Somebody has switched on the mic. Now I have muted them. You can just tell me in the chat box, is it audible properly now? Yes. Now we'll move on to the second rule. The second rule is when we add a positive integer and a negative integer. When positive and negative both different integers are there, they are called as unlike integers. Unlike integers. Whenever unlike integers are added, we have to look at the number which is having a greater value. Then we have to find out the difference of their values. We find the difference of their numerical values regardless of their sign and give the sign of the integer which is greater. What does this statement mean? Here you see this is a positive integer added to a negative integer. When signs are neglected, 6 is a number smaller than 9. So we do subtract. We will find the difference. That is 9 minus 6 we are going to do. And we have to take the sign of the greater integer. Here the greater integer is 9. It is having negative sign. Therefore, the result has to be negative. Here, one of the integer is positive, another is negative. We find difference like 9 minus 6, which is 3. Out of these two integers, the greater one is 9 and it is having a negative sign. So the result has to be negative. Result is 3 will have a negative sign. So the answer is minus 3. On the number line, if you want to do that, first we need to start from 0, jump 6 units towards the right of 0. Then you have to go back 9 units in a opposite direction because it is subtraction. We reach 6 on the number line and then we jump 9 places to the left. It is something like this and the result is negative 3. When larger numbers are there, we are not going to use number line for that. Here to solve this, we are going to find their difference. Their difference is 35 and this 35 has to be negative because the larger number is 67 and the 67 is having minus sign. So the result has to be minus 35. Hope I have made you understand this. I'll tell another way of doing things. Say, for example, for that, I am going to teach another concept called as absolute value. Absolute value is the numerical value of integer. It is denoted using this symbol. Whenever absolute value of a number is to be found, something like this, absolute value of 2 is is written like this, absolute value of 2, which is positive 2. Absolute value of minus 3 is absolute value is represented like this. It will be positive 3. So always the numerical values are considered for absolute value. 2 and 3, they are having positive sign. Irrespective of a positive or negative integer, the absolute values are always positive. When we do addition, subtraction, we are going to look at the absolute values. Say for example, if I consider 2 and 3 are minus 2 and minus 3, if these are to be added, we are going to add their absolute values. In the first case, let me name this as first case and this as a second case. In the first case, we have 2 added to 3, the result is 5. In the second case, what we are going to do is we are going to consider the sum of the absolute values and we are going to take the common sign. This will be minus 5. Hope this is clear to everyone. Now I am going to tell for unlike integers. Suppose if unlike integers are there, something like minus 10 and 5, 15 and minus 35. If these are the numbers, Pritham is having a doubt. Pritham is asking, sir, you wrote absolute value as minus 3. No, absolute value of minus 3 is positive 3. The result obtained has to be dependent on what sign they consider. Here I am taking unlike integers, minus 10 and 5. The absolute values are to be subtracted. That is 10 minus 5. Now we have to take the sign of the larger absolute value. The larger absolute value is 10 here. So the sign has to be negative. So within the brackets, you simplify, we get the result as minus 5. Minus 5 is the answer. In the second case, we have the absolute value 35 larger compared to 15. So we need to subtract this and we have to take the sign of the larger number. Here the result has to be minus 20. Oh, this is also clear to everyone. Now I am unmuting. If you are having any doubt, you can ask.
What is the absolute value, sir?
Absolute value means the numerical value. Suppose minus 100 is there, its absolute value.
Sir, your voice is break, sir.
Its absolute value is positive 100. For others
Sir, your
also,
voice is breaking.
only for you or for others also voice is breaking?
Sir,
Even sir.
breaking, sir.
Sir, it is breaking up.
Sir, your voice is not breaking.
Breaking, sir. Voice is not breaking.
Sir, your voice is not
Sir, your
breaking.
voice is not
Sir, your
breaking.
voice is not breaking.
Okay, okay, all right, all right.
Your
All
voice
right.
is not breaking, sir.
All right, there may be some internet issue. You just find out.
नीचे ऊपर
If the number is 55, what is its absolute value?
Sir, 55.
Very good. So you understood the meaning of absolute value?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, very good. So
Sir, if a
this is the
negative number
story.
has, if a negative number also has a absolute value as positive number, sir.
Yes, both negative integer and positive integer, its absolute value will be always positive.
Sir, in absolute value, positive integers will be positive integers.
Yes,
Sir,
positive
I have a
integer
doubt.
is also positive, negative integer also is a positive. Yes,
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Tanmay, what is the doubt? Chidam, what is the
sir,
doubt?
what is the sir, what is the absolute value of 0?
Absolute value of 0 is 0.
Sir.
Sir,
Here,
absolute value in the also positive integer.
always remember that absolute value always
Okay,
give
sir.
positive integer.
Always positive integer.
Always positive integer.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
0 is only one integer or minus 0 is also there, sir?
Minus 0 is not there, sir. 0 is a special number. 0 is neither positive nor negative.
Okay, sir.
Is 0 even?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is 0 odd?
Yes, sir. 0
Yes, sir.
is even number.
Yes, sir.
Even.
Number. Sir, it is even not odd.
Even.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it a-
Third also not.
is 0 even, prime number?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it a
Sir, it is
composite
not
number?
prime number, sir. Not prime number, composite number. Neither prime nor composite.
Neither prime nor composite.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
0 is not a prime number, 0 is not a composite number, 0 is not a
But
positive number, 0 is
it
not a negative number. So
Yes, sir.
0 is our hero.
Integer.
0 is hero.
and 0 is, sir, 0 is
Hmm.
even number.
Sir,
Is
zero
0
integer
even number?
One more.
Can you write 0 as multiple of 2? Yes, you can write.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
0
sir.
is even, but 0 cannot be odd. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Coming to this question.
Yes, sir.
Coming
Zero
to this
has
question.
absolute value, sir.
Absolute value of 0 is 0.
Composite.
Absolute value of
The
0
zero
is
is
0.
the zero is a prime number, right?
0 is not a prime number. 0 is not a composite. 0 is not
0
a
is
negative
not
positive.
a, and negative and
Zero
positive
integer.
will go.
Okay. Coming to this discussion now. Write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 7. Sum has to
Minus
be
5
minus
and
7.
minus 2.
Suppose if we
Minus 5 and
consider
minus 2.
minus 5 added to minus
Minus
2,
7 plus
we
3.
get minus 7. Very good. Not only this, we can have
Minus
minus
12 minus 5.
minus
Positive
12
3. Minus 12 plus 5.
Minus
Sir,
12,
minus 12
minus 7
added
plus
minus 12
plus.
plus 5 is positive 3.
Okay, these three
That's right.
examples are enough. Sum is 7, minus 7. Now you have to give example where the sum is 0. When I consider a
Minus
positive one, Add it to
minus
5
2
plus
and
minus 7 plus 7.
minus 2 and 2.
7
Sir, minus 2 and 2.
plus 10.
Minus 4 and 4 minus.
Okay, sir. So for this also there is no doubt. It's easy.
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now look at the rule number 3. If two negative integers are added, then we add their values and the result will be taken as negative. For example, minus 5 and minus 3 are there. We are going to add their values and
Minus
values will be 8 and we are going to take minus
Minus-
sign for that. So the result is
Minus
minus 8. The same thing can be done on the number line since it is a smaller number. Since it is negative, we have to move towards the left of 0. We will start with 0 and we move towards left of 0, 5 units. Once again, you have to move to the left of 0, sorry, left of minus 5 because it is a negative number. We get the result as minus 8. Hope it is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, how do we add these two integers, minus 78 and minus 36? As I suggested you, when we do addition,
sir.
no sir,
Minus 4. Sir,
minus
minus
42 is wrong.
114.
Minus 42, sir.
Sir,
Minus
minus
42. Minus 42.
minus 42.
Sir, minus
14.
42 is answer.
Minus 42.
Minus 42, sir.
Minus 42 is wrong answer.
114. Sir, minus
Minus
114.
114 is
114.
correct answer.
Minus
Minus 114.
Yes, sir.
Minus
Minus
114.
minus 114. Sir,
See,
minus
I have written the answer here.
minus 114, sir.
I have written the answer. As I suggested you that you can add their absolute values and you have to take the same sign. Here the sign of both the integers are same, so they are called as like integers. Whenever like integers are there, take the same sign and add their absolute value. 78 added to 36. We are going to get minus 114. This is how easily you can do it. Now, if I give some question like minus 10 added to 37, what will be the result?
27.
27.
Plus 27.
Plus 27.
Plus 27.
Is this the answer? Or
Plus 27, sir.
what is the answer?
27. Minus 27.
Plus 27 is the answer.
Sir,
The
plus
reason,
27 is the answer.
okay, sir.
Plus
The reason
27
is
is correct answer, sir.
the reason is
Sir,
the
reason is
absolute
because
value of
plus
37
37
is positive
Yes, sir.
37. Absolute value of minus 10 is positive 10. We are going to find the difference. The difference is 37 minus 10, which is 27. And we are going to take the sign of 37. Sign of 37 is positive. Therefore, the answer is positive 27.
positive 27.
See, you need not write all these steps. These steps should go on in your mind. You need to solve this in mind and write the answer directly. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Minus
Okay, sir.
110 added to 46. Minus 110 added to 46. What will be the result?
Sir, 64.
Yes, sir.
64, sir.
Minus 64.
Minus 156.
Minus
Minus 156.
Minus
64.
minus 64.
Minus
64. Sir, positive 64.
Minus 64.
Here I have written
64.
different answers. Two different answers I have written. 64 and minus 64. Among these two answers, this is the correct answer. Minus 64 is the correct answer. The reason is here, here the larger absolute value will be minus 110. This is a larger absolute value. And the sign of this larger absolute value has to be taken. Though it is a question related to addition, we are going to find the difference. 110 minus 46 we should do, and we have to consider the sign of the larger absolute value, which is minus. So we get it as minus 64. Yes, is there any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
All right. Now I am giving few questions. You can simultaneously write them.
Okay, sir.
Question is add minus 3 added to minus 15
Sir, minus 18.
Minus 18.
Minus
minus
18. Minus 18.
3 added to 15
Sir, 12. 12.
12, sir. Plus 12. Plus 12.
Plus 12. 12.
I will ask afterwards.
Minus
Minus
12.
18.
Minus 12, sir. Minus 12. Minus 12, sir.
Plus का 12 आएगा.
Sir, 18. Third one, sir. 18. 18. Fourth one, 18. Sir, fourth one, 18. 18, sir.
Somebody is
Second
starting
one,
something else.
Third one, minus 12. And fourth one, 16, sir. Minus 18, sir. Sir, this 4.
Fourth one plus 18, sir. Third one, so minus 12.
Only 4, sir.
Are you will send the notes in the WhatsApp group? Yes, I will send better. Sir, in this chapter book in
Okay, listen now. When two negative integers are there, they are having the same sign. I am going to highlight them. This is one, this is the other. They are like. Whenever like integers are there, we have to retain the same sign and add their absolute values. We get it as minus 18. In this case, it is plus 18. So plus 18 is the answer for this, and minus 18 is the answer for this. Now the second and third one, they are the unlike integers. We are going to take the sign of the greater absolute value. So positive 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3 is 12. Here the greater absolute value is having minus. Minus 15 minus 3. The result is minus 12. These are the results. Minus 18 plus 12 minus 12 and plus 18. Now, somebody was asking, is this topic there for the examination? No, this topic is not there for the examination. Any other doubt?
No, sir.
Which topics are there for examination, sir?
Sheila madam has sent what are the topics which are there for the examination.
Yes, sir.
So I
Yes,
need
sir.
not repeat it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes. With this, I am going to end today's session. If you are having any doubt, you can ask.
Doubt,
Okay, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.